Hi, beautiful ladies. How are you all? Very warm welcome to all of you on my channel. So, I hope so, dear ladies and girls, you all are fine, good, and enjoying the very good conditions of your health, doing very well. So, in my today's video, you are going to exploring more than 100 plus design ideas of different types and different styles of summer wears, floral midi dresses. So you will be find out different and amazing colors, amazing styles, amazing designs, different styling ideas, and amazing stitching techniques of summer wears, floral midi dresses for ladies and girls. Those girls, those women who love to wear floral dresses, who love to carry out floral midi dresses in summer. So these are the best and latest collection, latest ideas of 2025 styles floral midi dresses. Today I have collected for you in this video. So dear ladies and girls, must watch video till the end. Very beautiful collection and very beautiful design ideas are coming up next in this video. So you are going to exploring the fantastic ideas and amazing collection of midi dresses. You will be find out A-line style dresses, flare style dresses, frill style dresses, frock style midi dresses within amazing neck designs and amazing sleeves designing. You will be find out belted styles, you will be find out umbrella styles, A-line styles, less fabric styles, printed fabric, plain fabric, short sleeve designs, full sleeve designs, sleeveless dress designs. So a lot of new ideas and new designs of summer wears for midi dresses you are going to exploring in this video. I love all these designs of midi dresses and I hope so, dear ladies and girls, you will love these too. You will love these styles, you will love these designs of midi dresses. Those women, those girls who love to wear printed dresses, who love to carry out midi dresses. So these are the best and latest ideas and latest collection. I love all these designs of floral printed style midi dresses and I hope so, dear ladies and girls, you will love these too and you will love these designs. You will love these styles. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these fashionable, stylish and amazing collection of midi dresses, so please do like my video and do share my video with your loved one so that the new people get the new ideas and new designs of midi dresses, printed style midi dresses for their summer season. Don't forget to share your opinions in the comment section about my videos, about my content, about my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So please, I will be very thankful to you if you are sharing your opinions in the comment section. So much share your opinions in the comment section. I try my best to make my videos guiding to your opinions. For exploring the new ideas, for new designs, new collection of dresses. So please do visit on my channel and watch other videos. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel. So you will find our summer wears, midi dresses, A-line style dresses, maxi dresses, frock style dresses, plus size women's, plus size girls, casual wear, formal wear dress design ideas. Shoes collections, bags collections, crochet made dresses. So a lot of new ideas and new designs you will be exploring on my channel on daily basis. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection of dresses, dear ladies and girls. I hope so. Those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get those designs, those dresses for useful for yourself. So must visit on my channel and watch other videos. I am very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos here, ladies and girls. Very thankful to you. So as you can see, different and unique styles of summer wears, floral midi dresses with amazing colors and amazing styles and amazing prints. If you love to wear floral midi dresses, if you love to wear floral styles, frock style dresses, so these are the best and latest ideas for your summer seasons. You will carry these styles of dresses for your daily wears in summer season. Very beautiful design ideas and very beautiful collection. Designer wears, designer style dresses, full sleeve designs, half sleeve designs, different neck designs, different dressing techniques. You will get the ideas how to style your dresses, how to style your wardrobe, how to carry midi dresses and floral midi dresses. If you are new on my channel, dear ladies and girls, so please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. You will get all the notifications of my videos on daily basis. So must subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. So thank you so much, dear ladies and girls, for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye, dear ladies and girls. See you next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video. Enjoy the video and must watch video till the end.